Here comes Hunter. Are you walking? Look at you go. Are you walking with Daddy? He likes to make this circle in the house over and over. Hi, Pumpkin. Are you walking? Are you walking? Look at that little waddle. And that concentration. Now, if I were a real cameraman, I'd have somebody behind me guiding me.
You know where you are.
There, you made the loop. You made the loop. You see, he does those little stairs. Perfect baby-sized stairs. Say hi to all your relatives. I'm busy, Mommy.
You can go over that again, huh?
That feels different. Good job, Hunter. Good job.